Welcome, we're the science family.
The science family, we are the science family. Observation and demonstration, the science family. The science family, we are the science family. Observation and demonstration, the science family.
What's up, science fans?
Greetings, everyone.
Mommy,
This is the science family.
Mommy,
We are getting ready to make. What are we making?
tornadoes in jars. Yes!
Tornadoes in jars. Okay.
Look, we
So
got
what
a
do we
water.
need for tornadoes in jars? Tariq, tell us what we have.
We need to have water,
Uh-huh.
a pitcher of water, green glitter, red glitter, silver glitter,
You don't
have to choose
and
those options.
Dawn power wash.
Dawn dish soap.
And
So,
Our jars.
in our jars, we're going to fill up our jars until we get to a
Get this red and
1
white thing.
1 inch headspace. No, Rena.
It looks so cool. It looks like mini
Reba.
ants thing.
1 inch headspace.
Mommy,
You can pour your own.
can you drink that water?
Can I pour
No.
Tariq?
Go ahead. Pour.
Okay. Give me the jar, please.
May I have the thing back?
Uh-huh. Okay. Then you're going to put in some dish soap.
Yes,
How
Dawn.
many?
Go ahead. You put it in. Put in a drop or two.
1 drop or 2.
Oh, God.
Oh my goodness, that's too much.
Karima, your go.
Oh,
Hold
I
on.
think-
Wait.
Let me have to help.
I
Let's help you.
think I want
I'll do
red
better than that.
tornado.
All right.
Look.
Guys, I want a red
Okay.
one because I want it to be like a real
Okay, so you want red in yours?
Yes.
What color you want, Karima?
purple.
Purple. Is this purple?
Uh-huh.
Oh, yes. Let's put some purple in.
And
So
I
now
want
you choose
just
your color.
silver.
All right. So this glitter is supposed to represent the
Yeah,
debris
green.
that's in tornadoes. So whenever there's a tornado, there's debris. What color are you
Oh
using?
my goodness.
Red.
Red? Oh, okay.
Can
So
we
now-
add some paint to it?
No.
This is how you spell red.
Mix it up.
R.
How do you spell red, Tariq?
R. A.
Sorta. But the E sound.
Yeah, he never adds a vowel in his word.
He said R-A-D. Okay, so now mix it up good. And then we're going to bring the camera closer when we get ready to do the tornado.
Wow.
So when we do the tornadoes, we have to turn it in a, no, you got to do it in a circular motion.
Like that.
Yes. Turn it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can the camera see the tornado? Oh, look at that. All right. 10 seconds, Tariq. Good job. Good job. Whoa, look at your tornado.
It's spinning around like
Mine
this.
isn't doing the real tornado.
You got to do it in a circular motion. Circular motion.
Wow, it's still going.
Yes. So that is what?
A tornado.
A tornado.
I
And
was
we
about
can
to say lava lamps on the other video.
and we can put some food coloring in it if we want to change the color of it.
What's up?
Okay, so now we've added some food coloring. Samaya has, what's that?
Red.
Karima has, what color?
Blue.
Blue. What? Tariq has?
Yellow.
Yellow. All right, so now we're
Always
going to do
choose
our tornadoes in color. So let's do circular motions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's see if the tornadoes come. Can you see it?
No.
You
blue one-
can't see it. Oh, let's see your circular motion.
But the glitter's going on. Oh, I see his tornado. Looks like a hurricane.
Mine.
Okay, so our science experiment, we learned a couple of things. When we put the food coloring in, we could barely see. So when you put it in, make sure your colors are light. So with the tornado in the bottle, we were creating what we call a vortex. A vortex is created when a rotating liquid falls through an opening. Swirling the water in the bottle while pouring it out causes the formation of a vortex that looks like a tornado in the bottle. The formation of the vortex makes it easier for air to come into the bottle and allows the water to pour out faster. So I enjoyed this experiment. Please check back with the science family. We appreciate you watching.